right, let's go. My name is Jason. This channel is A Chain of Blocks, and in this video, I want to take a look at 3 undervalued altcoins that I think have massive potential to boom as we move into 2022. Now, the good thing about these altcoin projects is I haven't heard too many people talking about them. So that's always good when you want to beat the rush and get in early. So I want to show you what it is about these projects that I like, why I think they have so much potential, and some predictions for where the price may be heading in the near future. Of course, I am not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, just my own research, guys, sharing it with you. This should be one step in your efforts to do your own research. We will go over everything, including how you can invest in these tokens, guys, but let's start right here. Current crypto market cap sitting at $2.55 trillion. We have been moving up. Bitcoin establishing that level above 51,000, guys. If we look at some of the top 10 here, Solana pushed its way above 200 again. It's slightly below right now. Even Cardano, ADA has moved its way up. Look, DOT now over $32, guys. So things are starting to rebound, rally a little bit after the consolidation, some of the shakeout, some of the selling off from some weaker hands. So hopefully your diamond hand stays strong and you can now work your way up. I think we are set to push back up as we move into the new year, guys. But look, if we look over here, we've looked at this indicator a lot lately. This is the Bitcoin 2-year moving average with the 5x multiplier on top of it. So this red line here, look, it's very, very simple when you look at this chart. If you've bought below the green line, if you've ever bought Bitcoin below the green line, you're above. You're up right now. And when we see this chart as well, the red line tends to be the end of bull markets, guys. So when we've gone above this red line, the 5x on the 2-year multiplier, look, that hasn't been a good sign. But as you see here, we've come very, very close a couple of times. And now we're sitting right here in the middle with a lot of room to move up as we move into the new year. So look, we're going to look at 3 coins right now. I want to show you why I like these projects, why I'm selecting these. Let's start here with the first one. And number 1 on the list, it's called Anchor, guys. And this one's a pretty simple play for me. This is called Better Savings, and this is running on Terra Luna. So it's really easy, right? We've seen enormous, incredible exuberance from Terra Luna. Parabolic growth over the past 12 months. So what do you want to do? You want to go find the applications, the dApps, the projects that are launching on Terra Luna, and Anchor is one of those projects. So if you look over here, you can come right now to their app, and they have over $10 billion locked up here. So you can see this right here, total value locked on this protocol. It's very, very cool. You can come here, connect your wallet, and you can start participating in DeFi on Terra Luna. So the reason I put this in here, and you can come over here, guys, this is a site that I like to use a lot. Of course, anything I talk about, mentioned today, will be in the descriptions box below. So look, go use these resources. That's what they're here for, guys. DeFi Llama, this is a place you can come and you can look at a bunch of DeFi stats. So right now, what we are looking at, I'll pull up their menu here. We're looking at all the chains, all the blockchains here. We are looking at the total value locked on these blockchains. So as you would imagine, Ethereum is number 1. I wouldn't think that Terra would be number 2. I would think Binance Smart Chain, but Terra, like I said, parabolic growth over the past months is now in that number 2 spot. So if you click into this a little further, what are the projects? Like, well, how does it have so much total value locked? And you see here, Anchor is the number 1 dApp on Terra Luna, and it's really not even that close, by over $2 billion. And this hasn't even updated. This probably needs to update again, probably does a 24-hour update, because you can see here, they are not quite up to date on the total value locked as far as UST, US Terra on this decentralized application. So look, when you see a project like this, number 1 on the hottest blockchain by far in the entire ecosystem, and then when you look over here at the price, $3.86, and you see that it only has a $726 million market cap. So this could easily 10x and put itself at about $7.2 billion market cap, and that would be totally fine. That wouldn't be out of the norm for a highly valuable protocol on one of the hottest blockchains that we have. So that probably puts it in the top 30, top 20 position, but that's definitely very doable. So that puts this at about a $35 coin in my opinion. So look, even if you just look at the all-time high for the cryptocurrency, $8.23. And you see the total value locked is pushing up and up and up. So these are projects that you want to look for. They have an enormous value locked on the chain, on their application, but the market cap just doesn't reflect that. So this is number 1 on my list. And if we look over here, let's take a look at where you can get Anchor right now. Bring up these trading pairs. This is currently available on TerraSwap if you want to go the decentralized exchange. Also OKEX, Bitfinex, KuCoin, Gate.io. Available widely, guys. This is a pretty big project, currently ranked in the top 150 of cryptocurrencies. So look, do your own research, but check out Anchor. Running on Terra Luna, arguably the most valuable decentralized application on the entire Luna ecosystem. So let me know what you guys think. Let's go over here, guys. Number 2, it's called Marinade. And look, like I do all the time, I go to these blockchains, whether it's Solana, whether it's Terra, whether it's Avalanche, whatever is hot, whatever people are using and buying those tokens. And then you go and find the applications that are the hottest on there. So look, we've talked about, find the dexes, right? We've talked about Trader Joe's on Avalanche. We've talked about Phantom and Radium and all these things on Solana. And now Marinade is a way for you to stake your Solana, earn those staking rewards over 6.5%, but not have to lock up your SOL to do so. So you see here, no lockup, but you still compound the rewards and you can participate in DeFi on the Solana blockchain. So I think that's really cool. If you look at their application, you can come over to it, working, it's available, it's usable right now. You can connect your wallet. I have Phantom, I use the Phantom wallet on Solana, but you can connect any Solana wallet here and participate. So if you have SOL in your wallet, what they do is you can trade it here and you can stake it. And what they're going to do is they're going to give you this MSOL. So Marinade Sol is, I think, what that is. But MSOL is a way you can still come over here and you can come to the DeFi and you can stake your MSOL. You can earn, you can borrow, you can lend. You can do all of these things. All the while, you're still earning this 6.67% APY for staking your Solana. You're still participating in securing the ecosystem, securing the blockchain, and it's a win-win for everybody. So I think this is very cool. If we look over here, guys, Marinade, MNDE, is the token, currently trading at 27 cents, guys, but this is small. And this is only a market cap right now of 15 million. But look, if you look over here, this is just, we'll come back here on the DeFi Llama to the chains. Let's look on Solana, right? Because just go to the Solana chain. That's number 4 on total value lock. So where's all the value on Solana? Let's look at the list. Radium's number 1. Okay, that makes sense. Number 1 decentralized exchange on Solana. What's number 2? Number 2 is Marinade, guys. So look, it's up 17% over the past 7 days. 1.6 billion locked up on this. And it's a way for you to help secure and stake your Solana while earning multiplied rewards. So I really think that's very, very cool. If you look over here, this one is trading. We'll bring up the trading pairs right here. Obviously, it is trading on Radium. It's also trading on Orca, the other DEX as well. So look, this is very powerful, very, very new project. If you look over here, currently ranked 1082 by market cap, guys. So look, let me know what you guys think about Marinade on the Solana blockchain. Guys, let's finish up. We're doing 3. I said we're doing 3. Number 3 on the list. Actually, you can't go get this token everywhere. Not available on exchanges. You will have to go through their public sale, which is they're still in the pre-sale of this. But Provenance Blockchain, guys, this is a new blockchain that's launching, and I want to tell you exactly what it is about this that has me so excited. But you see here, open source ecosystem for developing and deploying blockchain-based DeFi apps. So look, we have that, right? But this is garnering some big attention, especially from this company right here, which is called Figure.com. And if you look here, Figure offers a simpler, faster way to find loans that are right for you. So look, this company, this Figure, is created by, if you look over here, Mike Cagney. And the only reason I'm bringing this up is because he's had a little bit of success, right? Mike Cagney is the founder, creator of SoFi. And SoFi is traditional finance. He is now transitioning over to decentralized finance with this project, guys. And if you look here, Figure unveils first solution for private companies to raise, manage, and trade equity. So look, all private companies that want to come here, participate in blockchain, they're going to use this Figure.com. This is going to be big for real estate. A lot of real estate projects are going to launch on here as well, guys. So a lot of things are going to launch on here using this Provenance blockchain. And the Provenance blockchain has a token, and this token is called Hash. And there are many hashes if you go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, but this one actually has not launched yet. The only way you can actually get this right now is going through, Figure is one of the websites you can go through. So you can come over here and you can sign up with Figure. And by doing so, you basically create a wallet. When you do this, you do have to go through an amount of KYC where they will ask you to send a picture of your driver's license. They will give you a little bit of the hash token in your wallet. They give you you actually have to go through the KYC twice. I don't know if it's a bug, but it gives you 10 tokens per time you do go through there. And then if you come over here, once you pass the KYC, you can deposit USD. Now you're not depositing, this is not through an exchange right now. You would have to send a bank wire to, they give you a bank account to send it to. It does take a few days depending on your bank. Once that happens, you would have an available amount of USD in here. You could then come back to their trading page and trade. So look, it's a little bit of a complicated process. This token is currently going for about 11.5 cents. I think this has some potential to be good. However, if you do look at this right now with the token going for about 11.5 cents, and the token supply, this does put this at about $11 billion market cap, which puts us as a very large project as a blockchain that hasn't launched yet. So I think it's pretty exciting with what they have going on, but definitely do your own research. No guarantees in crypto, no guarantees in anything, guys. That's it for this list, guys. Let me know what your best holdings are for 2022. And if you want to know more low cap altcoins that I think have huge potential, check out this video right here. Until the next time, be safe.